Welcome to this video tutorial where we'll be discussing how to stop daemonnginx to edit an index.js file and then restart daemonnginx on an EC2 Linux instance. If you're a developer or system administrator working with Node.js applications on Amazon Web Services, this topic is crucial for you to understand. In today's digital age, ensuring that your web application is up to date and running smoothly is vital for customer satisfaction and business success. However, making changes to your application often requires editing files while the server is stopped. This video will guide you through the steps necessary to safely stop daemonnginx, edit an index.js file, and then restart daemonnginx on an EC2 Linux instance. To start with, let's understand what daemonnginx is and its role in serving web application. Nginx is a popular web server software that can also act as a reverse proxy server. Among other functions, it's often used to serve static content, handle large volumes of connections efficiently, and improve the overall performance of web applications. When you have an EC2 Linux instance running Node.js applications with Nginx configured as your web server, making changes to your application code requires stopping the daemonnginx process temporarily. This is because while the server is running, it locks certain files in place, preventing you from editing them until the service is stopped. So, let's go through the steps. First, you need to connect to your EC2 instance using SSH. Once connected, navigate to the directory where your index.js file is located. Before making any changes, ensure that you have backed up your original file or are working in a version control system like Git to avoid data loss. Next, you'll stop the daemonnginx service. This can be done by running specific commands that depend on your Linux distribution. Commonly, if you're using systemd, which is typical for most modern Linux distributions, you would run sudo systemd stop nginx or similar commands for other init systems. With the service stopped, you are now free to edit your index.js file as needed. Make sure to test your changes thoroughly before proceeding to restart the daemonnginx service. After editing and testing your changes, it's time to restart the daemonnginx service. The command will be similar to what you used to stop it, but with a start or restart parameter instead of stop. For systems, this would typically be sudo systemd start nginx or sudo systemd restart nginx. Understand the role of daemonnginx in serving web applications. Know how to stop and start the daemonnginx service on an EC2 Linux instance using SSH and command line tools. Always back up your files before editing them, especially when working directly with server files. In this video, we walked through the steps required to safely stop daemonnginx. Edit an index.js and then restart daemonnginx on an EC2 Linux instance. These steps are essential for maintaining and updating Node applications served by Nginx. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points covered in this tutorial, please ask them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if it was helpful, and consider subscribing for more tutorials and guides on web development, AWS services, and system administration topics. Thanks for watching.